Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today I got a call from one of our YouTube subscriber. Now this person is working in a corporate company from the last 9 years and he is 32 years old. During the call, he told me that in the last 2 months he has lost 6 lakhs by following the market tips from an advisory firm. For some of you, this might be a very small amount, but for this man, it is his entire life saving. Please understand, he has to take care of 2 kids and an entire family. He is the only working person in the house. Today, this person lost his life savings. Tomorrow, it can be anyone, right? Now, as soon as I was done with this phone call, I quickly decided to create an awareness video about the scam which is happening in the stock market. Now, this video, if it is useful for at least one person and he or she avoids falling for this trap, then I will consider that the purpose of this video is served. That is my only goal of making this video. Now let us understand what is the scam and how innocent traders are getting trapped to the scam. Okay? Now traders, I will try to explain about the scam to you with an example so that it will be very easy for you to understand. Now let's say there is a very small advisory firm which provides intraday calls or tips. Imagine this advisory firm has just 5 to 6 employees. Now every day morning what happens is these employees will receive a sheet of paper or a file which will contain the phone numbers and names of people. They are supposed to call these people and convince them to take their advisory service. Now the phone numbers which these employees are receiving are those numbers of people who are interested in trading, who has created a demat account. Somewhere they have shown interest in trading. Okay. Now how did the small advisory firm get all our contacts? Very simple. We would have shared our numbers online while filling some form or things like that, no? Now employees who's working in those companies, they will take our confidential data and share it with the small advisory firms for a commission. So our confidential information is being stored and given to this advisory firm. Now the job of each employee is to convince these contacts and convert them into leads and make them take their intraday advisory services. Now what is the job of the employees who's there in this advisory firm? Now their job is to call all the phone numbers that is provided to them and convince them to take their paid advisory services. Now a lot of you would have received call from people saying that, hello sir, I'm calling you from so and so advisory firm which is based in Noida, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. But mostly you will get calls from the North India side because North India is more famous for stock market compared to South India. Now the first question what this person will ask is, sir, how is your trading going? Now once you start discussing with him, he will tell you, sir, I will give you advisory services. With our services, you can double your capital within just 1 or 2 months. Now a lot of people listening to this kind of promise, they get convinced because most of them who's falling for this advisory service trap, they are working in a company. They have some savings with them. They do not have time to do stock analysis. They don't have time to read charts, learning new strategies and things like that. So when a person is telling I will come and double your capital within a short duration of time, they will get convinced. But we as an Indians, we do not get convinced so easily. So what do? We tell them, first you give me a free intraday call. If the market goes according to how you say, then I will take your services. Alright? That is what most of you will tell. Now this person will agree to give you a free intraday call. After that, he will ask you to take his services. But what you need to understand is, you are not the only person he's calling. This employee, maybe for the day, he would have called 100 more numbers apart from you. Now all of them will say, give me a free intraday call. Only then, if I'm convinced, then I will take your services. Now what will he do? This 100 phone numbers, he will split into 2 groups. Now for the first group, what will he say? For the first 50 numbers, he will say, Reliance Industry today, it will go up. What will he say? He will say Reliance will go up today and it will close in green. Now for the remaining 50 numbers, he will say Reliance Industry will go down today. So what has happened here? The phone numbers which he has received, he is given free calls to 100 numbers, out of which for 50 numbers he is saying Reliance will go up. Another 50 numbers he is saying Reliance will go down today. Now if Nifty goes up or down, it does not matter to this guy, correct? Now let's imagine today Nifty closed in green. So what will you do? This 50 numbers he will reach out to. He will reach out to this 50 numbers and tell them, so see, I told you Nifty will close in green today. It is closed according to what I have told. Do you trust us? Come take our services. If you had taken our service today, you would have been in huge profit. Now let's say instead of going up, let's say Nifty went down and closed. It closed in red. At that time, he will call these 50 numbers, and for these people he will try to convince that Nifty went down according to how I said, why don't you come and take our services and start making huge money. Either way, this person is profitable, right? Now for this 50 people, he said Reliance will go down, and let's say for that day Reliance went down as per his free tip. But not all 50 people will get convinced and take his service, because we are Indians, right? We don't want one confirmation. We need double confirmation before we make any decision. So this time what will we say? We will tell him, now the first tip which you gave, I think that was just by luck. Reliance went down. Now you give me one more tip, free tip, only then I will trust you. Like this, everybody will start asking. So what will this employee say? He will tell you, okay, this is the last time I'm giving you another tip. After this, there is no more free tips. If you want, you take a service. If you don't want, just leave it. So what will he do? Again, he will split this 50 people into two groups. 25, another group of 25. Now let's say today for the first 25 people, he will say Nifty will go up and it will close. Now the remaining 25 people, he will say Nifty will go down today and close. Either one of these two should happen, right? Nifty has to close in positive or it should close in negative. Now let's say Nifty closed in positive today. Now what he will do? He will call just 25 people for whom he said Nifty will go up today, and he will say, see sir, this is the second time I'm giving you a free call. After this, there is no more free calls. If you want to take my service, you can take it or leave it. We guys, we do not know what has happened in the back end. We don't know this is their plan. But we only think, oh, this person is trustworthy. 2 times he gave me a call. Both the time it was correct. So let me go and take his service. You will agree to his terms and condition. Let's say you pay 5,000, 10,000 or 20,000. Some advisory firm will also say, let's do revenue sharing. Only if you make profit, you pay us, or else you don't. We will get convinced and we will agree and we will start taking their service. Now within few days, most of them will lose their entire capital and they will start blaming the stock market. The small advisory firm only will have 10 to 20 employees. All of these people will be doing the same thing, and they will attract as many people as possible and make them take their service. Once they realize all the funds of the person who took their service is over, they will stop calling him. They will start looking for a new person and start selling their services. Traders, as a friend, there are some important points which I want you to remember when it comes to trading. Point number 1, do not invest your life saving trusting unknown people. The best thing that you can do with your life savings is just hold on to it. At this COVID situation, anytime there will be a requirement for you for funds. Do not rely on unknown people and lose all your life savings and get into trouble. Point number 2, to sustain in the stock market, we need to spend a lot of time in educating ourselves. To become a graduate or to become a lawyer, engineer, we spend 3 to 5 years in an institution, right? Stock market also is an institution. But the thing is, it is not regulated. Spend quality time in learning. If you really have interest in stock market, start learning every single day. Even if you're working professional, try to spend at least 1 hour every day and learn something new about stock market. Learn some strategies, learn how to read charts, learn how to do fundamental analysis, learn how to do technical analysis. Always try to keep updating yourself when it comes to stock market. Point number 3, genuine advisory firms are rare to find. I'm not saying they're not at all there. There are some people who give genuine advisory, but their service charges are very high. My suggestion to you is, do not go for any advisory firms. If you really want to save a lot of money for your retirement, start now. Invest in SIP, Systematic Investment Planning. On a longer term, the returns will be very good. That will be very helpful for your retirement. Please remember this. Stock market was there 10 years ago. It is there now. Even in future, it will be there. Stock market will not go anywhere. Just take your time. Don't see other people as competition. At your own speed, how much ever you can learn and improve yourself, you keep doing that. Eventually, you will get there. Now, last and final point. This is very important. I do not provide any paid intraday advisory services. Please do not call me for any type of intraday calls or tips related to the market. Rather, I suggest you to follow our Telegram channel. This is a free channel where we share a lot of education content related to stock market. It is free now. Even in future, I will make sure that this is available for free. You don't have to pay us anything. Do not rely on intraday calls or tips. Just stick to basics and keep improving yourself. And traders, also this weekend we have our webinar on 4th and 5th. Now people who are interested, we have shared the webinar details in Telegram channel. You can go ahead and have a look. Now traders, the sole purpose of this video is to create awareness among retail traders. After watching this video, even if one person avoids falling for such kind of traps, I'll be more than happy. Now in case you have faced any kind of scams like this, please share your experience in the description box below. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.